With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So the question is, mark the correct statements for a particle going on a straight line. So in this question we are going to deal with motion in straight line. Okay. What is the first option? Let's see. If the velocity and acceleration have opposite sign, the object is slowing down. Let's see. This is very much visible from the equation v equals to u plus at. Now, if the velocity of the particle, initial velocity and acceleration are of different sign, are of opposite signs, if the initial velocity and acceleration are of opposite signs, we observe that the value of v decreases, and hence option 1 is correct, that velocity and acceleration have opposite signs, the object is slowing down. Okay, now moving on to the second option. Let's see what does it say. If the position and velocity have opposite sign, the particle is moving towards the origin. Okay, so for the second option, let us consider two situations. Situation 1, when the position is at a negative. Therefore, now for velocity to have opposite sign, velocity needs to be in positive direction. Okay. Second case, we put the position of the particle at some positive value. Suppose over here. Now for velocity to have opposite sign, the direction of velocity will be towards negative x-axis. In both the cases, we observe the particle is traveling towards origin. Therefore, option 2 is also correct. Now, moving on to option 3, if the velocity is 0 at an instant, the acceleration should also be 0 at that instant. Okay. Now, option 3 says if velocity is 0 at an instant, the acceleration should also be 0 at an instant, which we know from our daily experiences of watching free falling body. It is not true. The free falling body under gravity, its initial velocity is what? 0. But we know that its acceleration equals to g, which is not 0. So from here we can say that option 3 is incorrect. Moving on to option 4. Option 4 is saying if the velocity for a time interval is 0, the acceleration is 0 at any instant within the time interval. So now we are talking about time interval, and we observe that if the velocity for a time interval, we observe that v equals to u plus at. If acceleration is 0, velocity is 0. So from this equation, we observe that if velocity has to remain 0, acceleration needs to be 0 as u is already 0. Okay. So option 4 is also correct. That if velocity is 0 for a time interval, the acceleration is 0 at any instant. For every instant, acceleration needs to be 0 for v to be 0. Okay, thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.